Hello and welcome to CobraTransmission.com. A question we get often is what's the differences between the different kits? An overhaul kit is going to include all your gaskets, your seals, your O-rings, and your sealing rings. A banner kit is going to include your overhaul kit, plus your friction plates. A master kit would include your overhaul kit, your friction plates, and your steel plates. Now, kits come with and without pistons, depending if your transmission uses pistons. Not all units use pistons. So you could have a overhaul kit with pistons or without pistons, a banner kit with pistons and without pistons, or a master kit with pistons or without pistons. If you have any questions, give us a call. You could contact us through chat, email, or phone call. Have a great day and give us a big thumbs up. Thanks.